Welcome to Lake Forest High School Booster Store. We're located right inside the front entrance of the high school. You come in and go to the left. Right inside here, you don't have to check in with the office. You can just come right in. We are open every Wednesday and Friday from 11 to 3. We have all kinds of great Scouts gear to show your Scout spirit. If you're looking for the decals for sports, this is the place to find them. We carry Johnny O. There's some of our Johnny O shirts. Champion. These are the gym bags for all of the after-school sports. We have car flags that you can hang from your car window. And we'd love for you to stop by on Wednesday or Friday from 11 to 3 to pick out a free gift. You can choose from the coffee mug, water bottle, or cup. And we'd love to introduce you to Lake Forest High School Booster Store. We look forward to seeing you and have a great year.